Hi, it's Lee Rochester here from Wexford Hayes, and I'm with Ged Foley, the Chief Executive Officer of Sonic Clinical Services, to have a brief chat with him about his views and perspectives on leadership in the sector. Ged, what are some of your favourite aspects of being involved in the healthcare sector?
Well, first and foremost is domain knowledge. I know it root and branch. I've been involved in it all my working life, and it's important. It's very complex, and it's ever changing. And I think one of the things that you can do in the healthcare sector is actually deliver a good business solution, but with an eye to what's good for patients as well. And that's really appealing for somebody who was once a clinician.
Okay. And what do you think is the most important traits a leader should have within the sector?
Yeah, well, there are lots of good traits that make up a leader, lots of traits that make up a good leader, I should say. I think probably the most important thing, as far as I'm concerned, the most important trait is accountability. The buck stops here. You've got to be responsible for your actions and take that responsibility on behalf of your team.
Now, you've had a very diverse career in the industry, qualifying and practicing as a general practitioner to now being Chief Executive of Sonic Clinical. What are you most proud of achieving?
Part of it is that transition, making the transition from being a clinician and seeing patients every day to running a business. It's a challenging change in a way of thinking, I guess. I guess the other thing I'd be most proud of is actually taking a complex business structure and creating a sensible governance structure for that. That's taken quite a bit of work, and it's something I'm proud of.
Now, there's always a lot of pressure in these types of roles, and everyone manages that pressure quite differently. What's the best way, or how would you say you would handle pressure?
There are a variety of ways that I handle it, but I think the most important thing is the ability to switch off. You've got to be able at some stage to actually just turn off from the business, and that's kind of difficult when you're connected 24 hours a day. But having that mental switch, that ability to step away, is really important. Lots of other things that you can do as well. You know, it's about good sleep hygiene and exercising well, and keeping things in perspective. You've got to have a sense of humour at the end of the day.
You definitely do. Now, Ged, thanks very much for taking a few minutes out of your day to share your perspectives on leadership. It's been extremely insightful. Thanks a lot.
My pleasure. Cheers.